Did you ever think the world's most powerful media empire could be shaken by courtroom drama? At 93, Rupert Murdoch's carefully crafted plans to secure his son Lachlan as the sole heir to his $15 billion empire just hit a massive legal roadblock. This story is not just about wealth and power, it's about family, legacy, and betrayal. Let's dive into this high-stakes feud that rivals the plot of Succession. A family at war. For decades, Rupert Murdoch has been the face of conservative media, building an empire that spans Fox News, The Wall Street Journal, The Sun and The Times. His influence has shaped global politics, from the US to the UK to Australia. But behind the scenes, a family feud has been brewing, a battle for the future of his empire. At the heart of the fight is a trust established in 2006, which dictates how control of Murdoch's empire will be shared among his children after his death. The trust divides power equally between his four eldest children, Prudence, Elizabeth, Lachlan, and James. However, Rupert believes only Lachlan, who shares his conservative worldview, can be trusted to maintain the empire's direction. This trust doesn't just involve money. It's about who decides the editorial and commercial future of Fox News and News Corp. And while the trust guarantees financial benefits for all four, Rupert's recent attempt to change its terms to favour Lachlan has sparked a bitter legal battle. Project Harmony. In September 2024, Rupert and Lachlan appeared in a Reno, Nevada courtroom, attempting to rewrite the trust under what they called Project Harmony. Their goal? To strip voting power from Prudence, Elizabeth, and James while keeping their financial stakes intact. Rupert argued that this move was in the best interest of all beneficiaries. He claimed that Lachlan's conservative stance would ensure the financial stability of the empire, while his more liberal siblings might steer the business in a less profitable direction. But Nevada Probate Commissioner Edmund Gorman wasn't buying it. In a ruling filed in late 2024, he described the plan as a carefully crafted charade designed to cement Lachlan's power permanently. He called the effort an act of bad faith, stating it was a betrayal of the trust's original purpose. Why does the trust matter? To understand why this ruling is so significant, let's look at what's at stake. The Murdoch family trust controls globally influential assets worth billions, including Fox News, the crown jewel of Murdoch's empire, generating $14 billion in 2024 alone. News Corp, the parent company of newspapers like The Wall Street Journal, The Times and The Sun. The trust was created in 2006 with equal voting power for Rupert's four eldest children, ensuring they would collectively decide the empire's future after his death. But Rupert's recent attempt to favour Lachlan upended this balance, triggering the legal showdown. Adding to the complexity, the trust also includes Murdoch's youngest daughters, Grace and Chloe, from his third marriage to Wendy Deng. While they are financial beneficiaries, they do not have voting rights. This arrangement was finalised after Rupert's 1999 divorce from Anna Murdoch Mann, his second wife, who insisted on equal power for their four children. Sibling rivalries. The Murdoch family's divisions run deep. Lachlan, who currently leads Fox News and News Corp, shares his father's conservative views and is seen as the natural successor. But James and Elizabeth have taken a different path. James resigned from News Corp in 2020, citing disagreements over its editorial direction. He has publicly criticised Fox News for spreading misinformation and even supported Democratic candidates, including Kamala Harris and Joe Biden. During the 2020 election, Elizabeth, a media entrepreneur based in London, has also distanced herself from her father's conservative politics. Prudence, the eldest sibling, has stayed largely out of the business, though she sits on the board of The Times. Despite their differences, the three siblings have united against Rupert and Lachlan's bid to rewrite the trust. The family drama has echoes of Succession, the HBO series loosely inspired by the Murdochs. The sibling rivalry, high-stakes boardroom maneuvers, and patriarchal power plays make this real-life saga even more compelling. The courtroom drama in Reno. Why Reno? Nevada. The state's probate laws are known for their strong privacy protections, making it a favourite for billionaires seeking to keep family disputes under wraps. But despite efforts to keep the case sealed, over 360 court documents have been leaked to the press in his ruling. Commissioner Gorman didn't mince words. He likened the legal battle to a poker game where all the bluffs are called, and declared that Rupert and Lachlan's move was a raw deal that wouldn't stand. The ruling isn't final. It still needs to be ratified by a district judge, and if Rupert's appeal fails, Lachlan could pursue other options, such as buying out his siblings' stakes. But that would come at a steep price, with estimates running into the billions. What happens to Fox News? Fox News is central to this dispute. As the most profitable part of the Murdoch empire, it's no surprise that Rupert is fiercely protective of its conservative identity. Under Lachlan's leadership, Fox has continued to dominate ratings and revenue, but its future could change if the more liberal siblings gain influence. Some analysts believe the company's success hinges on its current model. The Fox model has worked very well, media scholar Robert Thompson noted. Anything that jeopardizes that steady course would be bad for everybody. But James, Elizabeth, and Prudence argue that a more centrist approach could also be financially viable. This ideological clash is at the heart of the family's rift, and the outcome could reshape one of the world's most powerful media empires. What's next for the Murdochs? The court's decision has thrown Rupert's succession plans into chaos. While Lachlan remains in charge for now, the ruling underscores the deep divisions within the family. If the appeal fails, Lachlan's best option may be to buy out his siblings, an idea he considered in 2019 but ultimately abandoned due to the cost. Alternatively, the family could be forced to work together, though their ideological differences make this seem unlikely. For Rupert, this battle is about more than money, it's about his legacy. He has spent 7 decades building his empire, starting with a small Australian newspaper in 1956. Now, as he nears the end of his life, his dream of a harmonious succession is slipping away. What do you think about Rupert Murdoch's attempt to secure Lachlan's control? Is he protecting his empire or betraying his other children? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more in-depth reporting on stories that matter.